Hello guys, this is Fun and Motivation YouTube channel. In this channel we are going to have so much fun and motivation to work harder. Today I brought you a tutorial on web designing and I'm going to go over HTML and JavaScript in series of episodes, and I'm going to make a playlist so that you can find my tutorial so easily. But for today it is only an intro of HTML and JavaScript, so let's get to it. First of all, in order to begin this tutorial, you need a good text editor or notepad, and the best notepad for programming is Notepad++. But if you are thinking a text editor that goes with your Android, I recommend you Solr. What's HTML? HTML is the abbreviation for Hypertext Markup Language. You may wonder if it is a programming language. No, it is not a programming language in the sense of JavaScript. It is a skeleton of your web page. It is not a programming language, means it cannot perform any algorithms or solve mathematical problems in order to perform activities. Let's see with an example. So let's see a simple example that writes a text in a bold. So to make the text bold, we put the text between the bold tag, and when we run the code we will get the bold text. Okay, here as you can see, I put the hello world text between the bold tag, as you can see here. This is just the braces are just a mistake, and as you can see here, I wrote a hello world text between the bold tag. When we run the code we can get a bold text, as you can see here. So HTML is the skeleton of your web page, or it decides how your web page looks like. But JavaScript is more powerful than HTML because it can perform different algorithms and mathematical problems. So for example, let's say you want an alert box that will alert the multiplication of 2 times 4. In JavaScript we make different pop-up boxes or alert boxes, confirmation boxes, and others with a function. We will learn what a function means in other episodes, but for now let's run this code. Alert 2 times 4, and the JavaScript will output with an alert box of 8, the product of 2 times 4. So there is a huge difference between JavaScript and HTML. That's all for today. If you like the video and you want to get notified when I post another parts of my video, click the notification button and subscribe, share. Thank you for listening.